Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you follow someone into ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to follow someone into your ShopPay, you just simply have to open this shop application at very first. And after opening your shop application, you will get to see so many options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to find out the profile which you would like to follow, such as here is one profile called Fashion Nova and other one called Metal Creations and so on. You can also use the magnifier option in order to search the profiles. Now just simply open the profile or just simply tap to this follow button in order to follow, and this way you can easily follow somebody to ShopPay. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.